Hoy, game na to.
Game na?
Lakasan niyo ba?
Okay, pwede pala. So, can you tell me about your lineage? Kasi diba, half Filipino ka, half water. Half Nigerian. So, kagaya nila, ba dito ka rin ba pinanganak? Or pumunta ka lang dito after you were born in Nigeria?
I was born in Nigeria.
Dito talaga. So, can you tell me about your basketball experience? Gaano katagal ka na naglalaro?
I started playing basketball when I was 14 years old. My friends play basketball and parang wala lang. Na-OP ako because everyone talks about basketball. Tapos ako hindi ako nakasama. So, yun lang.
Okay. So, how did you get recruited into Eagles? Was there a certain process for tryout? Or recruited ka agad from high school?
Actually, dapat nasa Lasal na ako. But I talked to Tito Jojo de la Rama and Father Calvo. Tapos, parang they talked to me na parang they're interested na. Kunin ako. And then they sent me to Reed International School. Tapos, yun. Mas nagustuhan ko yung offer nila. Kasi parang, parang hindi naman, maganda rin sa Lasal. Ateneo. Pero yung inisip ko yung high school at background. So they sent me to Reed International School. And then, yun.
So, what potential yung mo na nakita ng Ateneo? That's why they recruited.
Kasi I played for sa RPU. Played in PBL and then against Ateneo. Score ako.
Okay. So, how is creating for a field foreigner? Like, do you feel any kind of special treatment or parang kind of discrimination?
Actually, same lang eh. Kasi parang most coaches and players, tinumi naman. Kaya yung high school pa lang, ay gano'n. So, okay naman. Wala naman.